Hello and welcome to the fourth video in the Sportplan Animator tutorial series. My name is Georgia and I'm here to give you a general guide of how to use the Sportplan Animator. This week we're going to look at advancing your animations by adding secondary passing and running phases to your exercise, and the various tools that can assist you in doing this. In the previous video we looked at giving a player the ball and the vast amounts of options available to a player in possession. If you're unsure on how to do this, make sure you go back and view that video. So let's begin. We're going to create a more complex set piece, so we'll delete the lines from the previous animation. Firstly, we're going to pass the ball to the wide left player, who will then pass the ball to the player on the right. We'll also have our other player run across the shooter in an attempt to draw the defender. Since this is a set piece, we want all our actions to take place once another has occurred, just as they would in a game. So we'll have our wide left player run towards the ball and add a pass line to the feeder connecting them to this wide left player. We'll then have our two players on the right run across each other into space. We hope to lose a defender in the process, and this is the primary stage of the exercise. Now we need to look at the secondary stages. We'll have our now hopefully unmarked player speed up to create space in front of the defender, allowing the ball to be passed across. We already have the first line of movement for the eventual shooter, but we'll need to add a second movement line. We'll increase the speed on this line to represent the creating of space through a rapid change in pace. The animator can also time the runs for you, allowing your player to arrive at the exact same time as the ball. Let's delete the line we just made and we'll first add the pass. If we add the second leg of the attacker's run to the passing line, a red dotted line will appear, indicating a timed run. We'll complete the drill by using the shooting option to score. One final feature that can be used is the delay button. This causes the pass or run to wait until a different action takes place. In this case, we'll add in another attacker running at the same time to confuse defenders. Click the line you wish to delay and a cross will appear on the screen. Use this to select an action you wish to occur before the first. As you can see, this attacker now doesn't move until the ball is on its overhead pass. If we wish to remove the delay line, we could simply click on the lead and select the delay button again. As always, we end on the most important tip. Remember to click that save option at the top of the page so that you don't lose your well-crafted animation. This brings about the end of the fourth tutorial in the series. Keep a lookout for part 5, in which we focus on what you can do once you've created your animation by adding titles, descriptions and coaching points to your exercises, so that they're ready to share with your teammates, players and coaches.